Hello guys, welcome back for another video. So reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can get rid of this surface now indicator with a wrench indicator popping up over here of a Skoda Fabia 2007 till 2009 is the building year. I have some different Fabias on my channel, but this is slightly different, and that's why I'm making this tutorial. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 600 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first step is turn the ignition off. And then there is a button over here. You need to press that. This one. Press and hold it, and while you press it, turn the ignition on to the second position. So press, turn the ignition to the second position, this appears, and then a slight turn to the right. You'll see that the indicator over here will disappear. Do the check, turn the ignition off, wait for that to disappear. Turn it back on the ignition and you'll see that the surface now indicator or the wrench indicator over here won't pop up. This was a 2007 Skoda Fabia on how to reset the surface indicator. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.